and welcome to Adam's Train Vlogs. I'm currently at Wondabyne for Wondabyne Vlog 28. Here we have Oscar H12 about to depart platform number 2 for a Wyong service. Next up will be Wai and then all stations to Wyong. Alright guys, I think we should have a train about to pass platform number 1 or 2. The run number is 1495, lean loco is PHC 002, Spud, and the rear loco will might be PHC 001, Carrots. I think it's passing platform number 2. And it's here. And there she goes. Alright guys, I think we should have another train about to pass platform number 1. And it's an Oscar. Said it's H35. Rear forecast H14. Next stop will be Hornsby, followed by Epping, Strathfield, and then Central. Alright guys, I think we should have a train approaching. I don't know where it's gonna go, platform number 2 or 1. It's coming up there. It is an Oscar. Front forecast is H28. Sorry, the set was H28 and real forecast is H26. Alright guys, I think we should have another freight train about to pass platform number 1. Run number 6BM9. The lean loco is CF4403. the rear loco was SCT 001. Alright guys. Woo, I just quickly run at platform number 1. I think we should have an 82 class. About to pass platform number 2. Oh, it's a Whiter. Here we have Whiter A58. Whiter A58 is doing the testing. Alright guys, I think we should have an Oscar about to arrive on platform number 1 for a central service. Next, this train will stop at Wondabyne, followed by Hawksey River, Canberra, Hornsby, Epping, Strathfield and Central. The only forecast is V15. Anyway guys, thank you for all watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like and comment down below. See you next time.